We'll guide you through how to analyze Claude Giroux's performance with the Flyers. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the NHL's official website. Once you're there, navigate to the top menu and click on the Players tab. In the search bar, type Claude Giroux and select his profile from the drop-down list. On his profile page, you'll find a wealth of statistics and data. To get a comprehensive view of his performance, look at the Career Stats section. Here, you can see his performance metrics season by season, including goals, assists, and points. For more detailed analysis, click on the Advanced Stats tab. This section provides deeper insights like Corsi and Fenwick percentages, which are crucial for understanding his impact on ice beyond just scoring. If you're looking to compare his performance with other players, use the Compare feature located at the top right of his profile. Select another player and see how Giroux stacks up in various categories. For game-specific performance, go to the Game Log section. This allows you to see his performance in individual games, which is useful for tracking trends over shorter periods. Don't forget to utilize the Highlights tab to watch some of his key plays and get a visual sense of his style and contributions. For those interested in a more analytical approach, consider using third-party websites like Hockey Reference or Natural Stat Trick, which offer even more advanced metrics and visualizations. By following these steps, you'll gain a thorough understanding of Claude Giroux's performance with the Flyers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.